How do we deal with sectarian differences? Don't deal with them.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.
Know where to learn your religion, act upon it, and work at improving your devotion and your practice of the religion. Seek knowledge. Busy yourself with serving Allah's creation. Fulfill the rights of your parents, your family, your community, of society. Do good. وَافْعَلُوا الْخَيْرَ لَعَلَّكُمْ تُفْلِحُونَ. And do good so you may attain eternal felicity. Right? Yeah, two people are fighting, so what do? If you're able to stop the fight, you do so. But you don't jump in and get mud on yourself too.
La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah.